Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna compare programming languages. And you'd say, which programming languages and why? Well, I'll compare 5 programming languages. And why? Well, to know which one is the best. What kind of languages? Well, I have defined them here. First, it has to be free and open source. It does not have to use more than 1.5x the memory C uses, runtime. 3, it has to compile fast, at least as fast as C. 4, it has to have a good IntelliJ IDEA support. Why? Because I code IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah. 5, it has to be at least as fast in runtime as Java or Kotlin. Okay, so the obvious one here would be Golang, and it's the most established language, right? But then in no specific order, we have these other 5. Why not Golang? Because it, as I know, needs the paid version of IntelliJ, which I'm running it in a preview mode, but these expires in a couple of weeks, actually. So I'm just testing it, right? And it says subscription is active until this. So it means we'll be having this like 2 more weeks. Okay, so that's the reason we are not really comparing Golang today. We're going to compare Vlang to D to Crystal to Nim to Sig. So we start by doing some searches, right? Vlang language. And we open this first thing right here, okay? And we're gonna open all the other things. Can I move this to another desktop? That'd be better. So I can have a faster productivity here. Okay, so we have Dlang opened. Now Dlang language. Okay, the programming language. So we have dlang.org. We have the website of Dlang as well. Let's continue. Crystal language. Okay, we have Crystal right here. Let's have Nim language. Nim. Okay, then we have Sig language. Okay, so why did I choose these ones? Because they have IntelliJ support, and apparently they seem to comply with these requirements right here. Okay, great. So we have 5 programming languages. 5 programming languages. We will start with, well, my favorite is B, because I have used it the most, and I happen to done some coding in B. So B is great. So far, it has all this. Probably something that doesn't have, it's not really required, is a very good collections or something like Java does, for example. Maybe that's one of the things that's missing from B. But okay, so it says simple, fast, safe, compiled for developing maintainable software. And then, well, I've gone through this in other videos, right? So, but I want to see something great about B is that it can build itself in less than 1 second, which is great. And it also has some nice samples which you can use in built-in batteries, let's say. Like it even has WebSockets, right? So that's quite cool. Okay, and lots of more things, right? So that's B. It says simple, fast, safe, compiled for developing maintainable software. Well, that's like the thing. currently is in 0.4.2, which is fine. We see we have safety, bounce checking, undefined blah 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 blah. Okay, so now let's switch to D. It says D is a general purpose programming language with syntax with static typing, systems level access, and C-like syntax. With the D programming language, write fast, read fast, and run fast. Fast code, fast. You will get fast code in a fast way, soon, I guess. Okay, comes support for Debian, which is great. I use Debian, so that's cool. The obvious thing that the thing that I don't like is this. Why semicolons, right? The public hardware education volunteers, maybe to translate from C, I don't know. But I don't know. Then here we have learn, take the tour, news, community, documentation, packages, contribute, run, explore, write fast, read fast, run fast. Okay. Sounds cool. Crystal, a language for humans and computers. Install, learn, try online. Latest release 1.10.1, 13 October 2023. Syntax. Crystal syntax is heavily inspired by Ruby's. I haven't used Ruby, so it feels natural. I've read it's kind of cool to writing, but it's slow. So it feels natural to read and easy to write. It has the added benefit of a lower learning curve for experienced Ruby depths. Okay, a very basic HTTP server. Okay, oh, that's great. Has HTTP with it. Comes with that. Null reference checks, macros, concurrency model, C bindings. Dependencies. I mean, how to choose between them, I'm not really that sure. One way would be to try to code something and try to see how good the IntelliJ IDEA support is, and then discard those who have no good support. I mean, that's one way. Maybe none will be discarded. Maybe all of them will be discarded. I don't know. Doing that. Efficient. So now NIM. Efficient, expressive, elegant. NIM is a statically typed compiled systems programming language. It combines successful concepts from mature language like Python and Ada and Modula. NIM 2.0, which I think is more developed, right? Efficient generates native dependency-free executables, not dependent on the virtual machine, which are small and allow easy distribution. Which are small executables. The NIM compiler and the generated executable support all major platforms like Windows, Linux, BSD, and macOS. NIM's memory management is deterministic and customizable with these structures and moves semantics inspired by C++ and Rust. It is well suited for embedded hard real-time systems. Modern concepts like zero overhead iterators and compile time evaluation of user-defined functions in combination with the preference of value-based data types allocated on the stack led to extremely performant code. Support for various backends. It compiles to C or C++ or JavaScript so that NIM can be used for all backend and front-end needs. Expressive is self-contained. The compilers and library are implemented in NIM. NIM has a powerful macro system which allows direct manipulation of AST, offering nearly unlimited opportunities. Elegant. Macros cannot change NIM syntax because there is no need for it. The syntax is flexible enough. Modern time system with local file inference, tuples, and generics in some types. Statements are grouped by indentation but can span multiple lines. Indentation. I don't know if I like indentation. Maybe. Have to test, I guess. Mastering NIM. Well, what I don't like about this is that if you're promoting a new language, you should at least give the book for free if you want the language to become popular, right? And once it's popular, you can start charging it. Otherwise, it might die, right? Never have life, I guess. Support name, blah blah blah, community. Okay. Looking for the GitHub repository. Okay. Sounds good. SIG. SIG is a general purpose programming language and toolchain for maintaining robust, optimal, and reusable software. A simple language focused on debugging your application rather than debugging your programming language knowledge. No hidden control flow, no hidden memory allocations, no preprocessor, no macros. Comp time. A fresh approach to metaprogramming based on compile time code execution and lazy evaluation. Call any function at compile time, manipulate types as values without runtime overhead. Comp time emulates the target architecture, maintain it with SIG. I've heard SIG is good, can even compile your C and C++ code, I guess. Incrementally improve your C++ code base. Use SIG zero dependency drop-in C++ compiler that supports cross-platform compilation out of the box. Leverage SIG build to create a consistent development environment across all platforms. Add a C compilation unit to C project. Cross-language LTO is enabled by default. In-depth overview, more code examples. Well, I mean, it also has the semicolon. Okay, well. Then it has says community, C community. Okay, so which one to choose? Well, a simple, easy way of doing this is, well, I've installed all these plugins already. Okay, so you can see right here, have SIG, Vlang, Nim, Go, D, and Crystal. Well, Go, I think it's only for Ultimate. So if you have the free version, you won't be able to install it. It's only compatible with the IntelliJ Ultimate. I don't know about this. I think these are compatible with the free community version. Yes, I mean, I guess. Yes, I think yes. I don't know about Crystal. Maybe it's not, but the rest are compatible with the free version. I think yes, it's also compatible with the free version. Okay, so one first way of doing this is, well, you say close project, and then you say new project, and here you have the types of projects that you can create. And from the things I've added, we have B. But the others, there is D and Crystal. So, from 5 languages, there are 2 that are not doesn't, well, SIG is here. Oh, SIG is here as well. So which is the one that doesn't have? Oh, Nim, I guess. So SIG, Crystal, D, B have some sort of way of creating a thing. The only language that has like less points right now is Nim. Because the Nim plugin for IntelliJ doesn't even provide a generator or template, whatever, to start creating the project. All the other four do provide that. So, I mean, I don't want to discard yet Nim, but not looking good for that. So, developers of Nim, if you're watching this, or make your IntelliJ plugin generated list, a template project or whatever. All your competitors do it, so you have to do it as well. The application with div, I think div is some sort of a tool for D. I don't know anything about this programs really. So now let's try to create an application. Try the D application. I don't have D, so let's go to D and let me install it. It says let's go and open other downloads to see the things. It says DMD official reference compiler. Latest D version, simple installation, very fast compilation speeds, architectures. Then you have the GDC, GCC based decompiler, strong optimization, great GDB support, architectures, all this, which is great. ARM64 doesn't have it. Not yet, but okay. So based LLVM based decompiler, strong optimization, Android support. Android support. Wow, that's new. To start coding code, we recommend using an editor supporting the language server protocol. For VS Code, you can immediately install. I don't use VS Code. I only use IntelliJ. Okay, so it says some good support as far as I can see. You know what? I will add this to my Debian installation. Let's see if that's even possible. Okay. I don't know if this will work for Debian. We're trying. We're scoring the languages. See how easy they are to install and all that. Data from can be authenticated, whatever. Okay. Why they don't have a easier way for Debian though? Like for secure, authenticated, play with all the rules way. I would like to see that as well. But okay. I will install whatever it tells me to do. Okay, it's installing. It has lots of things. The specification. Okay. Apparently we have the, or not yet, but we're about to have the installed. It's just finding it and downloading it and installing it. So we'll see how good or bad the performs. IntelliJ, right? Okay, come on, it's a bit slow. Okay, it's done. It's installing. It's not taking that much. At least it installed the compiler successfully, which is kind of great. Okay, now that we have the compiler installed, can it please find where it is installed? Why do we have all these X11 things? What the hell is this? Has to be some sort of bug. Please, anyone, tell me what's going on here. Have I been hacked? So, how do I find? Where is it installed? Should I close this and try to create a new one again? DMD. Okay, so I can say DMD. I can say where is that thing? DMD. User bean DMD. User include DMD. User share. No, this is not. So user bean DMD or user include DMD. User bean. Why? X11. Okay, so it's not that option. User include DMD. DMD. Okay. Select home directory for DMD. This is not about home directory for the. What the hell? Okay, so it's not working as expected, DMD. Okay. Have to search it with my file manager. I don't know which one fault is this. But let's search it with my file manager. Can I do this? User bean DMD. Oh, this has lots of things, so I guess it has to be here, right? DMD. Are you here? DMD. Okay, I will copy item location. Well, it's user bean DMD. That's it. User bean DMD. Oh, it worked. It's a default. DMD64D compiler b2 that whatever. Okay, continue. I would say learning D or F D. Okay, create. It says no ZLS library. Please configure the path to this ZLS considering the SIG. Oh, it's for SIG binary. Oh, I don't have to see. Well, we will figure out that later, right? Not yet. When we do. Okay. Okay. But it doesn't provide some sort of hello world or nothing. I would like it to provide a hello world thing. Well, at least here it also allows me to seek, allows you to create a seek file, crystal db. And nym doesn't. So nym, we are kind of getting rid of nym because it doesn't even show it here, right? No nym. Okay, so D file. Module class interface, I guess module. Main. Oh, what's going on? New, main. Couldn't find single match for token identifiers here. Match is found. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, let's try something else. New D file class main. Oh, I guess I have to put main.d or something. Well, no. Quite strange. Oh, main. New D file class main.d. Main.main. Okay. Rename into only main. What the hell? So it's not that good. It's not that great as far as I can see. I will create it manually. Is there another way of creating it? Well, I don't know whose fault is this, but I'll just new file and say main.d. Oh, set up. Language level, non-language features. Let me move this here. Previews. I guess this one is the latest version. That's why I'm gonna do it. Okay. Is that the correct setup? No. Dub settings, Dub's executable is not specified. Actually, how to find. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, it crashed or something. It. Come on. Oh, we have a buggy experience here. X-kill. I'm sorry, have to kill you. Start you again. I'm trying to be generous, right? But sometimes they don't help. Oh, I'm too big. Okay. So it crashed. Let's try again. Let's see if now we can do something. Main, it says. I will delete this then, right? Project SDK is not set up correctly. I mean, really. Set up SDK. Oh, it's because I wasn't able to do apply or something. I don't know. Name, learning D. Language levels. This is for Java. SDK default, okay. Compiler output, modules. Oh, source. Do we have to create a new module there? I don't even know what that is. Let's say apply. Let's say okay. Let's go to here. Do we have some sort of example? So we have the reference, introduction, phases of compilation. Can I have a Hello World program somewhere, please? No Hello World so far. Documentation, learn, right? Because I don't know, I have to learn. So let's go to learn. Let's see how it works. So, not very happy, have to tell you with this. Not very happy. But well, I think I have another option, right? So let me close this. And let's create a new project. And here we can say the application with DUB. Maybe this works, right? Do binary location, auto find, okay. Do JS, do format, do binary option you prefer, do version minimal, do parameters. Okay, learning D with dub. Okay. Now let's see what it gets, what it does. Oh, at least now it provides a hello world example. Okay, so if you're trying to do the same as me, do with dub, whatever thing that means. Okay, it says that it's not initialized. I don't know how to initialize it. No idea. Set up SDK is not set up yet. Oh, I guess I have to do an apply here. Right, and then here I have to go here again and do DMD and then apply again. Right? And then it has to go, okay, here. Will that fix it? Edit source app.d to start your project. Yeah, allows breakpoints. Okay. Oh, this is actually running. So it runs. It runs, but it's still telling me that I need to configure whatever. Okay. Let's test. Void, I guess. OL S string char. How do I define a string? Do I need to define a string? Right. ln s. Oh, I need to end it with a semicolon. Okay, and here it says on the undefined variable s. What's going on then? My internet is bad. So here in the D language, please don't tell me it's my internet which is not working. Let's check. That's my internet's working. It's the D thing that's not working. I mean, not great, have to tell you. Documentation, community, resources, let's say tutorials, IDEs. Okay. IDEs, do we have IntelliJ? Yes. Let's see. Is there a guide? New project with Dove. Well, it kind of works. What's this? What? They have to do all this? Descanner. Well, let's say it kind of works. Okay, it doesn't really work that well, but kind of works because I was able to run it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So we don't spend too much time on one. Then we go with Crystal. Let's see. Crystal, path to Crystal executable. Okay, tell me how to install Crystal. Okay. Ubuntu Debian, please. Install on Debian. Says official dev repository. Okay. Let's see. Install script with steps and optional arguments to install or update to release of another channel. Okay. Oh. Let's see now here. It is installing Crystal. Done installing, learn. Okay, like that. Hi and welcome to Crystal's reference book. First, let's make sure you install the compiler so we may try all the examples listed in this book. Okay, better than D. So far, so good. Better than D. Crystal, we may check the Crystal compiler version. If Crystal installed correctly, then we would see that. Okay, let's check. Oh, it's not done installing. So sorry, probably it's the way my machine is oriented towards the internet. Probably that's the reason. I don't have very fast internet, but okay, it's done. It's not a problem of the internet anymore, so it's there. So now we're gonna see if it's installed. It says Crystal 1.11.0 deb, it says, and the 11.0. Why they it's okay. It made me install the dev version. Why? I just wanted to use Crystal as a user, not as a developer of Crystal. But okay. I guess yes. So I had to choose the right flag here and whatever. I guess here. Well, yes, I guess. So I will do this again, and instead of the channel nightly, I will do the channel stable. Let's do it again. Okay, so in fairness, it was saying how to do stable, but let's now do Crystal version, still dev. So sudo apt to remove purge Crystal. Oh, because I haven't installed it. Oh. Right? Or not? I don't know. Well, let's do it again. Stable. Now I'm doing it in the stable version. Okay. Conflicts Crystal. Are you really? Sudo apt auto remove. Let me. Okay, sudo apt auto remove. Okay. Stable. I'm trying to install the stable version. The following packages have a met dependencies. No great dependencies. You may have heard broken packages. I don't know how to do the fix broken install thing, but I don't remember. Sudo apt fix broken. I don't remember things. Broken install. It won't work. Okay, so I don't have Crystal, I guess. Crystal. User bin Crystal launches follow directory. Can I do it again? I mean, I'm testing these languages, right? You're seeing what I'm doing. I'm not being unreasonable, but they are not really working that well. Oh. I'm really trying hard, as you can see. Still the dev version. Okay, we will use the dev version. Okay, we'll just use the dev version. Oh, I installed it nightly again. Okay, let's open another terminal. Let's say stable. Let's do this. Let's just wait. Now, okay, sudo apt remove purge Crystal, yeah, please, Crystal developers, make this table the default option. Is that asking too much? Let me do Crystal this. Okay. Now let's open another. Let's close this terminal. Let's close this terminal. Let's open another terminal. Let's paste this. Let's do stable. If this time it doesn't work, then I am just using the nightly version. I don't care. Okay, because I'm spending too much time on this one. Conflict crystal. Okay. Okay. I am doing what the script says, right? Okay. So I have crystal installed. Check. User being crystal. Latest stable. Oh. Okay. So path to shards, dependency manager, shards. What's shards? Oh, I don't know. Shards. Application and library. Oh, application. Okay. Learning crystal. Cannot save the name should be all lowercase. Okay. Learning crystal then. In lowercase. Okay. What the hell is this? Well, at least it's... I think it's kind of working, right? It says index and crystal standard library. I'm taking... Well, it's going fast, actually. Not a problem there. Okay. It's fast enough. Let's run it. Let's do something. We'll show something. We'll say hello world. Please make your program say hello world. That would be great. But okay, so I have installed Crystal. Great. So then we have init build. Oh, you can do this with it. Oh, that's fine. Put s hello world. Oh, let's try. Put your code here. Okay, I'll put my code here. It takes a while to compile, you know. What's doing? Too slow. That's too slow for my taste, sorry. It's too slow. I mean, the plugin integration I think is working kind of fine, but it's too slow. Too slow. No, I don't like Crystal. Next. Next. Open. I'm sorry. New project. So we've tested Crystal, right? We tested D, right? Well, D worked faster. Was D faster? Let's just test if D is faster in running. Let's be fair. Let's test if D is faster or not. Okay, I am clicking now. Run. Undefined identifier. Oh, sorry. Okay, run. Oh, it's a lot faster. So D is okay so far. Okay, can I do edit or something? Okay, so from the experiences we are having, the conclusions is that Dlang is okay with some problems on the IDE plugin. Okay, then we tested what's the other one? Oh, Crystal. Too slow to run. As simple as that. It's too slow to run. Okay, not worth it. Not worth it. I mean, if I'm wrong, let me know how to make it faster or something, but not worth it. Um, yeah, so it's not there. The other one was Nim does not have idea plugin does not have anything useful to create a project, anything at all, or even a file. So, so far Dlang is the best we've tested because it works and is fast, but the support is not the best. Okay, so that's new project. What's left? What's left? What's left? B. Well, we're ready to B. Let's leave B for the end. New project SIG. Okay, let's do SIG. Toolchain location. How to install SIG. Let's search how to install SIG. Okay, where is SIG? SIG is general purpose, blah blah blah. Download, source code, get started. So get started is a big button, so let's click on that. Install in SIG. Direct download, Linux, C binary to your path. How do I get the binary? Package managers. When I have apt, the most known package manager. Do you know that? No, you don't have our apt. So, but it's fine. I mean, Seek also doesn't. I mean, Vlang also doesn't have that. It's fine. Caesar present package manager here. Oh, here. Why not include it here? Apt or Debian. It's not Debian. No Debian. Are you kidding me? Okay. Oh my god. How you don't have Debian? Did that default the things? So I think maybe it's available for Debian. So let's do sudo apt install sig. I think it sig. Oh, it's not. So sig. Download the. Okay, let's try this. Two options. From a package manager available for download. OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, x86-64, Mini SIG. I guess this is the one I'm looking for, right? Or not? I mean, I guess this is not a version, it's just a master branch. I guess, I don't know, I don't know. Let's just download this one. It's downloading. Okay, it's fast. Internet's fast. Maybe it's their server actually. So here we're gonna move this to apps, and we're gonna extract here. I think I remember having SIG being easier to install, but doc leave SIG. Okay, toolchain location. I guess I can go to where my toolchain is, right? SIG executable. Create. Oh, please configure the path to the SLS executable in the SIG language configuration menu. Okay. SIG SLS. Can I do auto detect? SIG toolchain location. Don't have it here. Let's select it again. SLS path. I don't know what SLS is. Probably inside here. What's SLS? I don't know what SLS. Can it create a new stick file? Main. Well, at least it creates a file. No. And I run the file. It says nothing, probably because it has nothing in there. Okay, let's assume it's okay. Learn documentation, unstable, latest stable. Yeah, that's the unstable master, so I did well. Again, please put stable first, or say unstable in master, and then language reference, introduction, code examples, getting started. Okay. LSP, SLS. Okay, let's see. ZLS. The Zlang language server for all your Zig editor solution needs from autocomplete to go to dev. Okay. The Zig language is a tool that implements microphone server protocol for Zig and Zig in simple terms. It provided with completions, go to definitions when you write C code. Building SLS varies. You need to build a Zig master to build SLS. Okay, I will download the release, the latest one, which is this, right here, x64 Linux. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna go here, SLS. So we have SLS. Now we can tell IntelliJ where is SLS. Still not smart enough, but SLS. I guess here? No. Bin. SLS. Okay. Auto detect. That's gonna be valid. It's default. It creates sound. Okay. Okay. Can start server code. Can it run program? Permission denied. Okay. CD apps. CD apps. CD SLS. CD bean. chmod plus x zls. Will that be good enough? I don't know. Okay, so let's now try to see if we can find the hello world sample. Make the hello cd hello world sig init exe x exe. Well, to be fair, I should also like test these command lines, right? Sig init exe. But I don't have sig added to path. So what can I do? I don't know. I should add it to path, right? Yeah, but I just like a simple hello world in SIG. Why you're not showing the code for hello world in SIG? Hello world in SIG. Okay, run. Took a while, took a while. Let's run again. Took a while. Too slow. Let's run again. Slower than D. So we have our verdict here. For D, SIG is kinda okay, but slower to run compilation than Dlang. So I'm not that crazy for using B, right? You can see, I mean, in B, of course, I won't use my B project. I will create a new project. B, the toolchain is there. It's not even the latest toolchain, but okay, that's fine. Learning B2. It creates a hello world right away. It's there. You click run, it runs first time. Okay, it took a while. Then you click again, immediate. Then say, well, modify this. It's there. So what I would like to know is how much time it took to. It's almost immediate, right? I mean, it's fast, and this computer is not that fast, so it's fast. But then also the other one that was decent was D. Learning D with dub. This is the one. Okay, so here we're gonna change this and then run. It's also fast. Let's say hello world. Let's see if it runs with the, yeah, it's fast. I mean, it's fast. It's fast. It's there, probably even faster than B, but I think B will be still faster for larger projects, but I don't know. Learning B2. Let's see. Well, this turned interesting. I was going to sleep, but now I'm waking up again. It's fast. These two are the winners. These two guys are the winners. I mean, you want me better dick than this? Vlang as fast to run as Dlang, but seems to have better IDE integration. But well, Dlang's not bad. So winners are Dlang and Vlang, and the losers are SIG, Nim, and Crystal. Too slow to run. IDEA plugin does not have anything useful to create a project. So Nim, we didn't even try Nim because it doesn't even have something useful there. But let's do. Can we do some nim here. Nim. So let's see if we can install nim. Install nim. Unix. Apple is not Unix, or is it? Okay, so Unix-like. Oh, Unix-like. Linux also is Unix-like. Okay, okay. If you know that what you're doing, if you're shooting this, you can allow it below. Okay. Okay, so nim, the last one. The last one. Why last? Because it doesn't even have a good the extension doesn't work, right? That's the reason. So I'm trying to install it manually. So name struct, name to the dough. What do we do from here? I mean, we're changing directories. We're doing nim. Okay, now we are installation. Oh, it has is there sudo. So we don't have name in the thing. Okay, sudo apt install nim. Oh, that's a plus. That's a plus. That's good. Easy to install. That's a good thing. Oh, the camera. Where is the camera? Do I still have the camera? Yeah, I said always on top. Oh, it's in another desktop, or whatever it's called. So now it's installed. So we have nim. What do we do next? Okay, I have nim installed. What do I do next? Blog, features, download, documentation. Features? Should we read this? Documentation. Learn nim basics. Start part 1. Need for C programmers. How I start nim. Nim by example. Well, at least has lots of things here. Okay, okay. Now says learn nim in whatever minute. Wow. Okay, here nim basics is relatively new. Who is this for? Installing additional tools. Echo hello world. But this doesn't have a way of creating a project. That's the thing. So new project, empty project, I guess. Learning in them. Okay. Okay. Then I guess here I will create a new file called main.nim. Okay, I'll paste this. Then can I run it? No, I can't. Open the terminal. Nim, main.nim. Oh, name C. You have to say C. For compiling, I guess. Okay, let's do it again. Not bad, not bad. Quite fast, actually. Main. Hello world. It's cool, but it doesn't have IntelliJ support. C minus R. Okay, okay, that's cool. To test the speed of compilation. Not bad. Fast. Fast. Fast compilation. However, it compiles fast. So this would be some sort of a loser with less O's. Losers. Okay. So winners, Dlang and Vlang. I would put actually Vlang first. But let's say we have to, it's not defined. Next video, I'll do a Vlang versus Dlang. So, yeah, name doesn't have IntelliJ support. I mean, doesn't have, decent IntelliJ support. You have to at least allow me to run a hello world thing. Otherwise, you don't have IntelliJ support. I mean, yeah. Yeah. For those who don't, for those who don't use IntelliJ, Nim may be a good option or maybe one of the winners again with these other two. But for those like me who use IntelliJ, only these two are worth it. But this is slow and this is slow. Yeah. So, I don't know how long is this video. I hope it's okay, not that long. 1 hour, I mean, that's kind of okay. So, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you in the next one. Probably in the next one. Let me show my face for a minute so I can say bye. Am I here? So, bye. In the next one, we will probably, I guess, most certainly, try to compete Dlang against Vlang, because those are the only two languages that passed this test. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.